Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 5 students. Hope you all will be in good health. Here is your English teacher Membushram. Let's start our today's class. Today we are going to do syllables. Okay, today we are going to do syllables. Now you must be wondering that what are syllables? Syllables are smaller sounds that make up words. Syllables are smaller sounds that make up words. Like a syllable is a single unbroken sound of a word. Okay? A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a word, and it must have a vowel. Every syllable must have a vowel and a consonant, but it should be a smaller sound and it make up the rest of the word and it has a vowel. It will be clear to you once I give you some examples. Look here, there are 4 words which I wrote. The first word is fast. Fast. Read after me. Fast. Fast. The second word is person. Person. The third word is beautiful. 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 And the fourth word is information. 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 Now look here. In the very first example, which is fast, can you tell me how many vowels are? You know what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are, let me write here for you, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Okay? So every syllable or every smaller sound must have a vowel. Now look here, the first word is fast. How many vowels are here? 1 vowel. So it means that it will give 1 sound. This word will give us 1 sound, fast. Remember, the number of times you hear a vowel in a word is equal to the number of syllable. Okay, the number of times you hear the vowel sound in a word, it will be equal to the number of syllables in that word. So here in the first example, fast, we hear only 1 sound of vowel, so it has 1 syllable. Okay, fast has 1 syllable. Now the second word is person. Person. Now tell me how many vowel sounds are here? 2 vowel sounds. Per-son. Per-son. So, how many vowels are there in the second word? There are 2 vowel sounds, so there are 2 syllables. Okay? How many syllables are in second word? 2 syllables. The third word is beautiful. Beautiful. Remember that when 2 vowels or more than 2 vowels come together in a word, they make a single sound. Like you can see here, there are 3 vowels together in this word. There are 3 vowels together in this word, but they make a single sound. Beau. Okay? They make a single sound, so we will consider it as 1 syllable. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. So, how many syllables are here in this word? How many smaller sounds are here in this word? There are 3 smaller sounds, or there are 3 syllables in this word. So, we will write the number of syllables in this word are 3. The fourth word is information. Information. How many vowel sounds are here? There are 4 vowel sounds. Information. Okay? Here I and O are together, so they give one single sound. Information. So the number of syllables in this word are 4. Okay. A syllable has one and only one vowel sound. Okay, no, it doesn't mean that there should be only one vowel in that. Sometimes two vowels are together and they give one sound, so that will also be considered as one syllable, and one or more than one consonant sound. For example, you can see here breakfast. Breakfast. Here are two syllables in this word. You can see here E and A are together, so they give one sound, breakfast. Okay, the number of syllables in this term are 2. The second is banana. Banana. Okay, banana. You can pronounce it as banana and you can also pronounce it as banana. So, how many syllables are here? Banana. 3. Okay, there are 3 syllables in this word. Tomorrow. 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 How many syllables are here? There are 3 syllables in this word. And the last word is university. 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 How many sounds do you hear? 5. There are 5 syllables in this word. Now you must be thinking that in the last syllable there is no vowel, but still we count that there is Y, T. But whenever Y gives us vowel sound, we will consider it as a separate syllable. Okay? Like Y is not a vowel here, but we have counted this in syllables. This is because Y here gives us the sound of vowel. Okay? University. T. It's giving us the sound of a vowel. Okay? So that's why we have counted this syllable as well. Now open your English textbooks. Open this book, English language textbook, and open page number 14. Open page number 14. On page number 14, you can see here syllables. A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a word. Syllables usually contain a vowel A, E, I, O, U used with consonants. For example, the word cat is one syllable word. Now look here, they have divided them into columns: 1 syllable words, 2 syllable words, 3 syllable words and 4 syllable words. Look at the first word, dog. Dog. You can see here there is only one vowel sound, so it is written in 1 syllable words. Bat. Bat. Listen students, once you understand the syllables, your pronunciation will improve. You all think that you guys don't or we don't speak like the native speakers. This is because we don't know about syllables. Once we learn about the syllables, we will be able to pronounce the words correctly. Okay, so bat, it is 1 syllable word because there is one vowel sound. Zip, pet, box. Okay, now the 2 syllable words we have: tonight. Tonight. There are 2 vowel sounds, so we wrote it into 2 syllable words column. Market. Market. Water. Water. Forest. Forest. Rocket. Rocket. Okay, they have 2 vowel sounds, so all these words have 2 syllables. Now 3 syllable words: computer. Computer. Calendar. Calendar. Okay, there are 3 vowel sounds. 11. 11. 11. Banana, banana. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. Can you notice we have three syllable sounds, three vowel sounds here, so it has three syllables, cucumber. Okay, and you can see they have underlined the vowels in it. Four syllable words, alligator, alligator, alligator. Okay, politician, 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 politician. Okay, four sounds. Population, population, population. Calculator, calculator, calculator. Okay, four vowel sounds, so four syllables. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Four sounds, four vowel sounds, so it has four syllables. Understand? Now what else we have to do is, I think I should give it to you for your homework. Divide each word given below into syllables and learn the correct pronunciation. There are certain words and you have to divide them into syllables, just like you have seen in these columns. They have divided the words into syllables. So divide each word given below into syllables. Okay, you have to divide them into syllables. Thank you. I think it's enough for today. Take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.